MERP is a 15-week post-baccalaureate pre-matriculation program that students attend one semester prior they begin medical school. And it prepares them for the fundamental science that they are going to learn in first several semesters of medical school. The way that we interface with Ross is that our students who are in MERP and who are destined to go to Ross, if they pass the program, they get to speak to the students that are in the upper semesters from Ross, like the 5th semester students that come here from Ross to do their clinical semester in Miami. So our students get a lot of interaction and they can get an idea of how Dominica is, what's necessary to bring to the island, what to expect from the curriculum, and that gives them a little bit of a hope and maybe encouragement to finish MERP and continue on to the island. The medical schools that they go to is either Ross University School of Medicine or American University of the Caribbean. And that's either in Dominica for Ross and St. Martin for AUC. Once they finish MERP, then they go to the medical school. They apply provided they succeeded in MERP. They have different requirements for different schools. And then they begin semester 1 at, for example, Ross University, and they do the first 4 semesters of their medical school on the island. Sometimes it's 5 semesters, depending on which track they choose in medical school. They can choose a regular or an accelerated track. Once they do their 4 or 5 semesters of basic sciences, they continue into the clinical rotations. They take their board exams, and then eventually they apply for residencies. Once they get their MD, then they can apply to residency and follow that path.